In its 75th year, the Supreme Court of India currently hosts 34 judges in office. But let's go back to the very beginning when there were just 8. The first Chief Justice of independent India was H.J. Kanaya. It was up to Kanaya to ensure that the Union government respected the federal structure of the newly formed Democratic Republic of India. His fraught relationship with Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru before and after he took over office was well known. The court's early judgments also displeased both PM Nehru and Deputy PM Sardar Patel. London-educated Justice S. Fazil Ali followed. After his barristership in England, he returned to India and worked in Chhapra, Bihar, an uncommon career choice at the time. He rose the ranks and became the first Indian Chief Justice of the Patna High Court. In Justice Kanaya's courtrooms, Justice Ali often sat in dissent in certain cases, especially those concerning the freedom of speech. Justice M. Patanjali Shastri was, interestingly enough, the only judge who was not part of the erstwhile Federal Court, the Supreme Court's predecessor. His expertise was in tax law. Shastri became India's second Chief Justice by order of seniority, the first and also the most impactful time that such a convention was followed. An avid horticulturalist, an ex-Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, and an illustrious lawyer, that was Justice Meherchand Mahajan. He was a favourite of the princes who reached out to him for legal advice. Mahajan also went on to become India's third Chief Justice. Justice Bijan Kumar Mukherjee was a hustler who hailed from a humble background. His 9-year-long practice at the Kolkata High Court finally elevated him to the Supreme Court of India. Shockingly, he held 5 degrees in subjects including history, Sanskrit and law. Another Kolkata High Court alumni was Justice S.R. Das. Das is one of the only judges from the original 8 who served a whole decade at the top court. During his tenure, the number of judges increased from 8 to 11. His decisions showed commitment to individual rights and freedoms. Coming from a family of Sanskrit scholars, Justice N.C. Iyer was the only judge who climbed from the Sessions Court to the top court of the country. When he came to Delhi in 1950, he was 63 years old. The final thread of the original 8 was Justice Vivian Bose. Born to an English mother and an Indian father, Justice Bose was the only judge of Eurasian descent. He chaired 2 significant inquiry commissions, one investigating the Mundra and the second was the Dalmia Jain Commission. Across 4 regions and 3 religions, the original 8 had the task of taking care of a new nation that promised justice for all. As part of the Supreme Court Observer's special series commemorating 75 years of the court, I have penned capsuled introductions to the original 8. Read it now on seobserver.in.